basically stock 2020 Performance Orange Streetlight Special. It's a sought after color, pardon me. Of course, it's got the 114. It's all blacked out. It's got a snubby antenna, little rubber duck guy down there, low profile, so don't bang into it like that metal one that it used to come with. Let's see. Pretty much everything else is stocked other than the antenna. It's in really good condition. Very well taken care of. Very clean. I don't see anything wrong with it really. Well, get on down here if you're interested. They go quick.